On the front of the ventilator, we have the alarm lamp, which flashes red for high priority alarms, yellow for medium priority alarms, and yellow also for low priority alarms. Here's the on, off, and standby button. Below that is the battery charge indicator, which is flashing when the battery is charging or stays lit when the battery is fully charged. Next button down is the screen lock. Press once to lock the screen, press again to unlock. We have the day-night button for switching between daytime and nighttime screen. And then the oxygen enrichment key, which gives 100% oxygen for adults and pediatrics, or a 25% increase of the set FiO2 for neonates. This button is the manual inspiration button, or inspiratory hold as well. Below that is the print screen button for downloading screenshots into the USB port. This is the nebulizer button, which starts the nebulizer, and it will run for 30 minutes at 8 liters per minute. Then the alarm silence button, which activates the alarm silence function for 2 minutes or until you push the button again. This is a push and turn knob used for selecting and changing controls and settings. Here is the battery compartment with 2 batteries. One is fixed, one is hot swappable. Each battery is good for about 4.5 hours of ventilator operation, together approximately 9 hours of ventilator operation.